Imagine a world without beams. No structures, no buildings, no bridges. It's a terrifying thought, isn't it? Beams are the backbone of our modern world, yet many of us take them for granted. But have you ever wondered, how much is one beam worth? Asterisk. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of beams, exploring their value, the factors that influence their price, and even some real-world examples. Before we get into the numbers, let's understand what a beam is. It's a structural element that spans an opening and supports a load. Beams come in various shapes, sizes, and materials, each with its unique properties and applications. From the humble wooden beams used in ancient structures to the high-tech steel beams found in skyscrapers, beams play a crucial role in our lives. Factors affecting beam value. So, what determines the value of a beam? Several factors come into play. Material. The material used to construct the beam significantly impacts its value. Steel beams, for example, are generally more expensive than wooden beams due to their strength and durability. Size and shape. Larger and more complex beams tend to be more costly. The shape of the beam, such as I-beams or C-beams, also affects its price. Length. Longer beams are generally more expensive due to the increased material and manufacturing costs. Load capacity. Beams designed to support heavier loads are typically more valuable. Manufacturing process. The manufacturing process, including the techniques used and the quality of the materials, can influence the beam's price. Market demand. The demand for beams, which can vary depending on economic conditions and construction projects, also affects their value. Real-world examples. Let's look at some real-world examples to get a better understanding of beam pricing. Imagine you're building a small shed. A simple wooden beam might cost around $50. However, for a larger structure like a house, you'll need stronger beams, which could cost several $100s each. Now, consider a skyscraper. The steel beams used in such a massive structure can be incredibly expensive. Some specialized beams might cost thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars. As you can see, the value of a beam is not a one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on a variety of factors, including the material, size, shape, load capacity, and market demand. So, the next time you look at a building or a bridge, remember the countless beams that hold it together. These unsung heroes play a vital role in our modern world, and their value is far greater than their price tag. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.